What's up, dudes? You're watching this, it's probably Friday. I'm gonna take this chance right now to show you guys something kind of cool, something we're getting involved with. I mentioned it before very briefly, but there's a car show coming up this year, August 17th in Hemmingford. It's a poker run, finishes off with a car show, and we've been asked to help out with this. So we really want to make something cool happen here. We're gonna have, for the guys on this channel, the crew, the TC Project 253, we're gonna have our very own booth with a spot for about 10 cars. We're gonna get 10 of the coolest cars that we can get running for the show to bring it down here. And some friends' cars and stuff like that. We're gonna have some cool stuff set up at our booth, including we're gonna be selling some Adams polish and waxes. We're gonna have some videos playing. We're gonna have a spot you come meet us and stuff. We're gonna have which is kind of cool. We're gonna have I should be letting Brent talk about this, but we're gonna have a tree set up like for drag racing, so you can check out your reaction times and stuff like that. We'll have a little competition going on with some trophies for winners. So I'm gonna show you guys around this spot. So here it is, guys, check it out. We're at the rec center in Hemmingford, Quebec, Canada, and like I was saying earlier, we have an opportunity to work on a show here with some people that they ask us to help. So they're giving us a spot for a booth and everything. That's super nice of them. What a great opportunity for everybody. So we're gonna make the best of it. We wanna make something real cool out of this. We're gonna check out the grounds now so you guys get an idea of what we're doing, what we've got, and so let's go look around. Got a lot to work with. All right, so it's really cold out there and really windy, so no matter what I say, you guys can't hear me anyways. This is the rec center in Hemmingford. Basically, it's a baseball diamond, a soccer field, plenty of room out there. This is, I'll show you something of, this was last year. So that should give you a pretty good idea of what we can do this year. Now there's a few changes being made and stuff about the layout and where the cars are going to be this year, and I'm calling out to the mod squad on this one. They asked me to find 30 import cars, tuner guys. So mod squad, I know you guys are big numbers. I want the best of the best, should you choose to accept. The nice part is, you guys come down here and do this, we're gonna have, like, you guys get your own complete section. You get part of the field. You get this right here. Now I'm thinking you can use that to your advantage. The whole field, there's a little bit of, there's seating, there's these dugout deals. They look kind of cool. You might be able to do something pretty neat with that. You know, set up nice and do your thing. Show everybody how the mod squad does it. This is, our booth is going to be right next to that. All the other dudes for the muscle car crowd and stuff, you guys are going to be in the main field in the big part of the baseball diamond, and there's going to be a band in one corner. We're going to have the Project 253 booth in another corner. I got my brother AJ, he's going to come down and do the music and stuff for this show. It's a really cool opportunity, and I think we can make something really nice out of it, something really awesome. The people that are throwing this show really have a lot in it. Like, they're very passionate about doing this, and they're doing a great job, and they want it to become an annual thing. So if we can make this really big, kind of like Bike Week sort of feel in this little town, we might be able to do something really cool with this. So let's all come together, let's put on a show, let's have a good time. That's what it's all about. We're going to be here with our booth, our cars, all kinds of cool stuff. You come meet us, come hang out with us. We're going to be playing some music. We got reaction time competition. I'll have more on that later. Tell you guys how it's going to work and stuff. Come down to our booth, buy some Adams polishes and stuff. The drag car is going to be here. The drift car is going to be here. The RX-7, some other projects, probably the Camaro. The wagon's for sure going to be here. The Malibu is for sure going to be here. Jamie's 240, probably going to get Sean with the hard body. We're going to have some cool stuff. Let's just party hard. All right, it's going to be good. Come on down, August 17th in Hemmingford, Quebec. It's the Wild Card Car Show. More coming soon. Happy Friday.